RedShark IBC 2025 coverage is sponsored by...
So we're here at the Frame.io booth here at IBC 2025 in Amsterdam, and we're going to talk a little bit about Frame.io. And so V4 came out just about 2 years ago, and we've been slowly integrating a lot of new and amazing tools that are inside of the application. There's a couple I want to show you really quickly. One of them is Quick Share. So now it's a lot easier to be able to quickly select an asset and create a share with just one click. And I'm going to show you this right now. So if I go into a project here, let's say I'm going to grab, let's say I'm going to get a bucket of footage. I can now just grab a bunch of these clips and just do a quick share, boom, done. Now it's available right there. I could do all my edits for my share. I could quickly rename it. I'm going to go, let's just say dailies. I can grab that link really quickly and share it off. I don't have to do multiple clips. Makes my job so much easier and faster. So another really great thing about V4 is the ability to have metadata tags. And with V4, now our new updates, all your metadata tags will go across all of your different projects. So you create your metadata tag once, and it'll be across all of your projects on your single account. So if you want to create one, I just need to go right up here in the Fields tab. And I've got a ton that I could choose from, but I've got some custom ones. So if I want, I can just create a new field. And let's say I want to make a client list. So I'm going to go clients, and I can choose different field types. But when I select on that and I hit save, it'll appear on my asset, but now it'll be available across all of my projects inside of my account. So now I don't have to duplicate and recreate those for each one of my projects. So one other thing I want to show you in V4 is transcription and captions that's available right inside of Frame.io. So right now we've got an interview that's taking place on our screen. Obviously I can hit play back my audio, but inside of Frame.io I can see that transcription's taking place. It supports multiple different languages, and you can see as I play along, it's actually showing me what word is said at what point. So if I pause it, I can click on a word and it takes my playhead to where that word was made. I can also export this out too. So if I want to export it as an SRT or VTT file, I can send that out. I can also translate it in other languages as well. And what's really cool, this is available on your shared links also. So if you are doing a review or if you have a really long interview, you can actually have your interview transcribed, and you can actually find key moments in that interview on your shared link or whoever's viewing the asset. You can also do a search. So if I want to find particular keywords or things like that, I can just type in whatever word I'm trying to look for, and it'll pop up right inside of my transcription. We also have a slew of a bunch of different features that are available in V4 for our enterprise users. We have asset lifecycle management and a lot of other great features. So definitely check it out if you're on V4. Transcription and captions, the ability to have your metadata tags across all of your projects, and now less clicks and a quick and easy way to do a share right into your project and send it out to your clients for review, or for people that just want to look at your videos. Check it out on Frame.io V4.